All right, yo, welcome to the Karjakz Vs Assassins universe. You know what I'm saying? We got all the heroes and villains together on this one right here. But if you want the heroes, the Karjakz, we got them all right here. Got Cajun, Escalade, Sincere, Glocks, Rasputin, Diesel, Shepherd, and then the assassins. All the assassins right here, the villains, led by Lord Sun Tzu right there. Artillery, Excursion, Kanji, Revo, Snipes, Yukon, of course, can't forget the Coyotes, and the Coyotes. So, get your poster today, your Karjakz Vs Assassins poster today on SansVision.com. Stay safe, y'all. Peace.